Unforgettable Family Trips, Top European Vacation Destinations, Part 1. The European continent offers a plethora of wonderful destinations for families to explore together. This compilation highlights some of the most beloved spots in Europe. When considering the best destination for a family vacation, it is crucial to cater to everyone's preferences: parents seeking relaxation, children craving excitement and a chance to swim, and the ultimate goal of spending quality time together. Below are 9 destinations that are fail-safe choices for a memorable family getaway. 1. Slovenia. This location is widely recognized as a destination suitable for families, providing a combination of natural beauty, cultural experiences, and adventurous activities. The country is celebrated for its breathtaking alpine landscapes, charming coastal settlements, significant historical landmarks, and the lively urban center of Ljubljana. Visitors can engage in a variety of activities, from visiting castles and churches to indulging in local cuisine and customs, ensuring a diverse and fulfilling experience for individuals of all generations. 2. Paris. While Paris is famous as the city of love, it is also a fantastic destination for a family trip. Children can have a wonderful time at the beautiful gardens, such as the Tuileries Gardens and Luxembourg Gardens, where they can enjoy carousels, pony rides, and perhaps even a puppet show. They will also be thrilled to see iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe. With its rich culture and cuisine, Paris is a major tourist hotspot. Consider setting aside a day or two to visit Parc Astérix or Euro Disney, both offering a plethora of family-friendly activities. 3. Prague. Prague is the capital city of the Czech Republic, and it's a great family destination for a vacation. This city is well known for its magical cathedrals, bridges, church points, and gold-tipped towers. Compared to other capital cities in Europe, Prague is relatively small, with approximate of 1.3 million population until 2024. Families can enjoy a variety of activities, including a visit to Petrin Hill, which offers playgrounds, a funicular ride, a mirror maze, and the Petrin Tower, providing breathtaking views of Prague. 4. Malta. Situated in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, this diminutive island boasts an abundance of sunshine all year round, making it one of the sunniest destinations in Europe. Renowned for its family-friendly appeal, this country has garnered numerous positive reviews, offering visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in its rich history and bask in the splendor of its pristine beaches. One of its notable attractions is Popeye Village, originally constructed as a film set in 1980 and subsequently transformed into a permanent fixture. This whimsical village is sure to captivate the younger members of the family, while also providing a vantage point for breathtaking panoramic views, including the mesmerizing sunset. 5. Algarve. The Algarve is a captivating region in Portugal known for its pleasant and sunny weather throughout the year. Situated along the southern coast, it is like a precious treasure waiting to be discovered, offering a perfect mix of excitement and enjoyment for families. For those interested in cultural experiences, picturesque villages with white houses and cobblestone streets beckon visitors to leisurely walks and delightful encounters at the local markets. With its welcoming atmosphere and constant sunshine, the Algarve ensures lasting memories for families to cherish. 6. Lisbon. Lisbon is an excellent choice for families due to its reputation as a family-friendly city break destination. The city seamlessly combines traditional heritage with modernism, making it a vibrant and charismatic capital in Europe. With its diverse range of attractions and activities, Lisbon provides an engaging experience for visitors of all ages. Families are warmly embraced in this city, making it a perfect destination for those looking to explore Lisbon. 7. Vienna. The captivating city of Vienna is a feast for the senses. Wander through magnificent buildings like St. Stephen's Cathedral and marvel at art collections in the Kunsthistorisches Museum. Explore Vienna's imperial legacy in the First District Street, and unwind in the lovely park with its giant Ferris wheel. Don't miss Schönbrunn Zoo, the oldest zoo in the world. But Vienna truly shines during Christmas. Imagine twinkling lights, charming markets filled with festive treats, and a joyful atmosphere that will create unforgettable memories for the whole family. This is just a taste of what Vienna has to offer. 8. Corfu. This stunning Greek island boasts numerous pristine beaches, making it an ideal destination for a memorable summer vacation with your family. Characterized by its rugged mountains and rich cultural heritage influenced by Venetian, French, and British rule, this location offers a unique experience. Explore the town of Corfu, where you can admire two impressive fortresses and stroll through charming shops. Additionally, don't miss out on the opportunity to visit the fantastic water park, perfect for family fun during the summer months. 9. London. London completes our top European family vacation destinations. London has consistently been a sought-after destination for vacations, often ranking as a beloved city in Europe. As the capital of England, it caters to families with children of different ages, offering a plethora of activities to keep everyone entertained. With its friendly atmosphere, diverse markets, delicious street food, captivating museums, and picturesque parks with playgrounds, London has something for every member of the family. These European spots provide various travel options for your family getaway. Some are great for summer trips, while others are perfect for winter escapes. Whether you like sunny beaches or snowy mountains, each place promises an unforgettable adventure. Whichever destination you choose from this lineup, you'll surely make cherished memories with your family. Thanks for your attention and have a fantastic trip. Make sure to stay updated by subscribing for notifications, and I really hope you had a great time watching this video.